What if I told you that there's a sweet spot in investing where companies have already proven their model but haven't yet reached their explosive growth phase? That magical intersection where risk drops but potential returns remain sky high. Hi everyone and welcome to Venture Shala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about ValueQuest Scale Fund 2. As a Category 2 AIF, ValueQuest offers something truly special: access to high growth companies and that critical sweet spot between early stage volatility and public market maturity. This is where the real wealth creation happens. Category 2 AIFs like ValueQuest gives you the access to companies with proven business model but still riding their steepest growth curves. It is a perfect balance of risk and reward that's typically reserved for institutional investors. Buckle up as we dive into India's most exciting investment opportunity that's transforming private equity access for investors just like you. First, let's look at who's behind this fund. ValueQuest is no newcomer to the investment landscape. With approximately $2.3 billion in assets under management, they have established themselves as the leading alternative investments firm in India. They focus on long-only India-dedicated strategies that have consistently delivered alpha. And when I say consistently, I mean it. They have achieved an impressive 20% TWRR, which is time-weighted rate of return, since 2010, outperforming benchmarks by over 600 basis points. What's particularly noteworthy is their diverse investor base: 51% foreign institutional investors and 49% domestic investors, including family offices, ultra HNIs, and corporates. This balance mix suggests strong confidence from both international and local market participants. Their 100-member team includes 33 investment professionals, providing the deep research capabilities needed to identify the most promising opportunities in India's dynamic market. Now let's talk about the success and management expertise of Fund 1. Fund 1 has an incredible success story with 1,350 crores in AUM. The numbers speak for themselves: 14 portfolio companies, 5 successful IPOs already, and a gross IRR of approximately 35% with a net IRR of 33%. Their overall portfolio has achieved an impressive 1.35x multiple on invested capital. That's remarkable performance in today's market environment. Their portfolio construction balanced growth companies with late-stage growth investments. About 44% of their portfolio companies were already profitable at the PAT level, with 54% showing profitability at EBITDA level. Behind this success are the two key figures. First, we have Mr. Ravi Dharamshi, who is the founder and CIO, who brings over 20 years of investment experience, including a stint at Rare Enterprise under legendary investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Then we have Mr. Pushkar Johari, who is the managing director and head of private equity, who has over 20 plus years of experience across private equity, M&A, buyouts and listed equities, with impressive credentials including an MBA from MIT Sloan. Now let's talk about the optimal business stage and investment approach. What makes ValueQuest approach unique is their strategic focus on the optimal business stage. If you look at the business life cycle, ValueQuest targets companies that have already achieved product market fit and are in growth to the late stage growth phase. This means they have already validated their business models and now are scaling rapidly. Their deal sourcing process is rigorous. Out of 562 deals sourced for Fund 1, only 160 were shortlisted, 26 made it to the investment committee, and ultimately 14 were selected for investments. That's a selection rate of just 2.5%. Their investment approach prioritizes companies with strong unit economics, proven business models, and credible founders with solid second-level management. They also look for companies at inflection points with significant tailwinds in their respective sectors. This disciplined process has allowed them to identify opportunities that deliver substantial returns while managing risk effectively. ValueQuest takes a sector-agnostic approach but focuses on two broad categories: classic economy and new economy. In the classic economy bucket, they target consumer, pharma and healthcare, niche industrials and manufacturing, and for Fund 2, they are adding BFSI, which is banking, financial service, and insurance. In the new economy space, they focus on energy transition, climate tech and digital sectors. Looking at the Fund 1 portfolio, this strategy has already delivered an impressive results with investments in companies like Waaree Energies in the energy transition space, showing a multiple on invested capital of 3.83x, and Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services in tech and digital space, delivering a 2.12x multiple on invested capital. Fund 2 is significantly larger with 3,000 crore and 1,000 crore in green shoe option, which is approximately $475 million including the green shoe. This will allow for a larger ticket sizes ranging from 150 crores to 400 crores per investment, which is roughly around $15 to $45 million. To sum up, ValueQuest Scale Fund 2 represents a compelling opportunity to access India's growth story through a proven investment manager. Their balanced approach between growth and late-stage growth companies, sector diversification, and rigorous selection process makes this an AIF worth considering for investors seeking exposure to India's private markets. Well, this was all about ValueQuest Scale Fund 2. We hope you liked this video. Thank